Hello, welcome back. So I am shuffling some things here. This is a 64 I've been working with lately to fix things, but it's not complete because I had to steal chips. I did. Okay. And here are some pretty fantastic things. Paperback Writer 128, Paperback Planner 128, Paperback Filer 128. And let's see if I look around here. I think I see a magic eraser. Because these all look pretty fine. And I've tested them. So I'm going to hit this magic. Oh dear, that didn't go quite as I planned. I'm going to hit this magic eraser with a little water because there is some stuff on this packaging that looks not so great. Oh. And in just a few strokes, oh, that looks like it could be tape residue. That takes a little longer. But in just a few strokes, it looks much better, much smoother, much lovelier. And the box is good, but it's good to have it looking as clean as possible. Once again, here's the paperback writer, and it just has some residue. Remember, this is like 40 years old. It could be sticker residue, could be just, stuff. Anyway, much better. Paperback file. See this here? It's getting kind of dirty. But there's not really much here. There's not really. But we'll tidy them up. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll think about selling them. You know what? I mean, am I ever going to use them? I don't know. I had thoughts of taking some sort of Commodore machine to work. So I actually had a computer to work on there. And here's a box. And I imagine that indeed I got to figure out which 128 goes in this. And the 128s, most of them are still behind me, but they are going to get moved. They're going to get moved. What's this? Oh, crap. So the floor is once again pretty much a disaster. Oh, there's some tape. Here's a piece of paper. What's it say? Oh, original 128 test machine scrambled video. Well, I'm not sure which one that is. But oh well, I've marked things with other things, so that's all good. So yeah, we're back to a floor of stuff. Indeedy. It's funny, one thing I was looking at here, and I gotta be careful because I got a whole bunch of chips piled on top of this, is the power switch and the way it works. And it's weird. So right here, I don't have quite an entire chipset for 128, but I have a lot of them on top of a 128 that's not working. So I think I need to find a place to safely put those chips aside. I do. And over here, oh, it's just endless. It's remarkable how much stuff I can end up with in here. I don't try. It just happens. Anyway, this was pretty clean, and those things didn't look terribly bad, but they certainly look better now. Certainly they do. Ugh. Yeah. I think I need to go up to the garage. I got some banker's boxes, and I think I need to do that to get this clear. Anyway, as I said, there's a pet coming. There's no room for pet. There's a pet right here, and it's the same. And I'm hoping that one will help the other. I'm hoping. But I gotta get stuff moved, sorted, figured. I do. And like the whole underneath here is full, and beside me here, there's a whole bunch of VIC-20s. There are. And, oh look, some empty water bottles. They gotta go. Yes, they do. Oh, it's that. Do I see a little schmutz on here? It's down in. Oh, I just look at. Down in the crevice. Just a little dust. Not surprising. These have been sitting around for a very long time. They have. Anyway, as I say, underneath here, there's all kinds of stuff. You know, and I have like a storage bin. Actually, I got two of them, like in the winter. It's now almost another winter. But I really should put things to do with 128s in. So I know where they all are. I gotta get them. Oh, the floor. The floors. The floor. The floor. Oh, I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired. So I think what I might do is take a break, figure out what I'm doing. Maybe I'll do something exciting like dishes. And then push things back and get ready for other things. There's more stuff to be tested. There's always more stuff to be tested. Always. Always more. Yeah. More stuff to be tested, more stuff to be moved. Anyway, don't forget the World of Commodore coming up. I should actually do this here. Let's see here. Let's see here. World of Commodore. Why is this taking so long? Google. World. Not works. World of Commodore 2025. Oh, okay. What do we got here? World of Commodore Toronto 2025. Why is everything so slow? So slow today. Maybe I need to reset the whole router thing. World of Commodore 2025. Saturday, December 6th, 2025. Sunday, December 7th. Oh, here we are. Things are happening. December 6th, December 7th of 2025. Please proceed here to the World of Commodore event page. There's a link. I can go to the link, see what I see. But things still seem to be moving very slowly. Maybe if I tap it a whole bunch of times, it'll go faster. But it doesn't seem to be. Anyway, well, at least we know December 6th, 26th. Sorry, December 6th and 7th of 2025. At the Admiral Inn, 2161 North Sheridan Way. That's where it's been forever and ever. Well, not forever, but for a while. Okay, well, this is painfully slow. Perhaps I'll do this again another time. Perhaps I will, because it's just not. Maybe I have to back out. Maybe I have to back out. April 6th, 2025. TPEG is thrilled to officially announce the World of Commodore 2025 is happening. Maybe I'll go to World of Commodore 2025 Facebook. Open. Everything is so painfully slow. Ah, World of Commodore. Interested. Add event. Okay. 5 going, 1 interested. Lucas is the man. Okay, vendor exhibitor registration is now open. That was about 3 weeks ago. Alright, I don't see things about tickets. I will mark that I am going. I will add it to my events. Oh well, I'll find out more. Anyway, the World of Commodore is always a good thing. But you know what? I think when I go downstairs, I might reset all of the internet stuff. I might, because everything seems to be slow. Slow, very painfully slow today. Yeah, painfully. And I am, if I check, I'm on a good thing here. Yeah, I'm on a good thing. Anyway, alright. See you at the World of Commodore. I will continue to tinker and putter here. I shall. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.